If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Every song's free to way. Cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. Hold along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint though. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it poppin' like a pimple. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend though. Circle tighter than the lifestyle. Family question in my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights out. Ex text me how I sleep, said with the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback.
What is good, y'all, man? Welcome back to another banger video, man. As you see by the title thumbnail, man, I'm getting my new seats put in my car, man. It's been a long time waiting, super long time waiting actually. I've been trying to get these seats for about a long while now. Thanks to coronavirus, they backed up everything. They didn't have the colors I wanted. It'll take forever. But the other option I wanted was black, and the black seats got here. They are here, and yeah, I was thinking about it yesterday to get the install today, and I'm very last minute, and I need to work on that because yeah, I'm supposed to be going to Vegas today. I still am going to Vegas today, but I'm low-key in trouble right now, man. I'm low-key in trouble. A shout out to Slim. I'm sorry again. But I'm pulling up to my shop, Oma Motorsports or CNC Motorsports. I can't wait to get the damn seats installed, man. I can't fucking wait. It's been a long time, man. The black one, I'm telling you, so I didn't tell y'all exactly what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna end up, long story short, I'm gonna keep the car. I'm keeping the car. And you know, the man himself is here with the orange Supra. Yeah, what up? I can't vlog and drive. I can't do that. I can't multitask. Right there, bro. Yeah, definitely can't drive. Hold on. Skirt. I scoot over. Skirt. Shout out to Drew, man. As you know, I've been here. I bought my springs here, intake here, my lighting here. Bought a lot of shit here, man. And you know he has orange Supra. This is fucking hot as hell. Damn.
It's good, bro.
It's good.
Sheesh. Ready for the transformation or what?
I am ready. You know it's crazy. I've been wanting and waiting for the because I'm trying to get the blue ones, but the blue ones is like they're like coronavirus. You can't get them, so it's like I was like shit, fuck it, black. Because I ain't gonna lie, I hate these seats. Hate these seats because the head thing it makes it seem like my head dirty, but it's just my grease in my hair. So I'm like, man, fuck that. So I want to get the blue one to match the orange, but I'm like, I think the black will look more. Yeah, because the seats in general, they're just hard in general. Yeah. Nothing crazy. Follows TikTok. That is crazy.
Yeah, that's where I get most of my business.
Damn.
Like TikTok is where it's at for me,
crazy.
But Instagram is okay too.
Sheesh. That's fucking nuts. The splitter is coming off now. It's time for a new splitter. Never get the money, guys. Let me grab the money. Oh man. Damn. Well, see these seats? See these seats right here? That's
If you
very
ain't really
embarrassing.
with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Shut tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback.
Can hear you.
I'm recording you. you live. You live on camera right now.
He said, "Get rid of that. Go get the Benz."
So, what I'm gonna actually do, fucking since the dealer didn't give me the price on one, I'm gonna actually keep it as a daily, and then because the market star is, I'm not sure pay 100 grand for the Benz. So, I'm hoping the market drop in December or January, and then I'm gonna bite on it. Yeah, because there's it's a certain spec I want. It's like that matte gray with the yellow stripe.
Right.
And the whole interior is carbon. So that it's only 3 or 4 for sale in California. So it's hard as hell.
Cupid with the red monster.
You hear that?
Now what do you say?
I work with your boy Cuban with the bag monster.
Oh shit, he at work right now or no? It's early. He's probably home asleep or some shit. Damn.
Nah, I had seen your video a way while back. Then when I had started working over there, I seen it in the parking lot. I'm like, yo, I wonder if that's the one Sway. And then he was like,
That's
yeah,
crazy.
Sway and all that. I'm like, oh, cool.
That's hard. Yeah, the Cuban famous. Shit, not me today. Cuban famous. That's crazy.
You know what's funny? My brother met Tall Guy in, what was that, Newport?
Damn.
Yeah, Newport.
That's crazy.
FaceTime me when I was knocked out asleep.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I'll get the boogers out there. I was like, man.
God,
Call on my phone, video. I'm in my bed.
oh, that's funny as hell.
I came up here right now
Yeah.
to see about my light.
Oh shit.
I'm like, I was telling him, like, hey, remember this orange Supra? That's the one Sway had in his video.
Yeah.
He was at a car meet. I forgot where it was at.
Yeah.
So I'm like, there's an orange Honda. I said, oh, there's Sway right there. I see
That's funny. I ain't gonna lie.
fan from the street.
Damn. Yeah, my car do stand out. It's shit.
Yeah, you don't see that.
A fucking bright ass orange car over there. Damn.
He said he got to link up and do a video with his charger.
Just let me know. Let me know. I'll shoot tomorrow. Fuck it. I'll shoot tomorrow. Let me know. I'll shoot tomorrow.
Some drone shots and some pictures.
I got you.
Say he needs some drone shots and some pictures.
I got you. Let me know when. You tell me when you're available, and then we'll get it done.
Did you hear him, Matthew?
I'm working off your schedule. I got you. Tell me when you want to do. I got you. These right there. Like that one.
One in the middle or the right?
This one. The one.
There.
Yeah. That's hard.
Style in the middle right there with the pinky stripe.
Oh god damn. Hell no, not my style.
So we have your pair in the back.
That's hard.
I think
That-
it feel good.
That is hard. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, with that shit.
That's the seat right there.
That's
Yeah.
the one he went with. What
That-
color? Same color?
No, it's the same one.
Oh, same exact one.
That's hard.
Is that carbon on the back?
I don't know what the hell this is on the back, but shit, it look tight.
Yeah, dude.
Nice.
No homo, it's a little sparkly though, but hey man, nobody gonna look behind me.
Yeah, especially if they ain't got no room back there.
Yeah, so shit. I ain't tripping. I ain't glad to see it so hard. Damn.
Cool too, soft.
Yeah, that shit's soft as hell compared to. I mean, the ones that's in my car now they're comfortable, but
For what they are.
yeah, exactly, yeah. But these
So what, Matt?
ones hard.
Is it fixed?
Little fixed seat?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I might as well, man. Fuck it.
Oh, man.
Yeah, so I'm gonna add some fucking 26 on. Oh, these is hard. I ain't gonna lie. I like these black
Street
ones.
version of Whistling Diesel.
Man, I ain't gonna lie. These wheels tight right here. I like these black ones. I do want new wheels though. I ain't gonna lie. I do want new wheels. If you don't know his shop, you know he got all the wheels and tire setups you need. All the car parts. Yeah.
This one or that office bronze, because it's not too bronze, but it's not black either.
Yeah, because it's simple. Simple, but like it's that certain look that
It
has.
just looks tight, and the fit
Yeah.
and the placement on that on your car would be like
Perfect.
even with it.
Yeah.
You got your keys, bro? Let me pull it to the back. Let me knock it out real quick.
There you go.
Got you, bro. I'm gonna take care of it right now.
So appreciate it. Got these peach ones right here. I'm telling y'all, these are my seats. These look so good right now. I love these seats, I'm not gonna lie.
You feel good?
Yeah, now I'm for a rear seat delete for sure.
Might as well take it out.
Yeah, most definitely a rear seat delete or carbon on the inside. Damn.
Crazy, huh?
That is nuts.
Yep. Racing seats don't let you really go too far back, but
Yeah, so is that the max that goes back?
yeah, because where the bracket ends,
Oh, yeah.
it has to hold you in one spot, because if not, it's gonna be a loose seat that doesn't
Yeah,
show. You know?
I'm like tripping. That shit
So-
so good, especially the back of it. Because it's like a.
The driver's seat always sits closer because of the fact that they're trying to accommodate the driver.
Yeah, exactly,
The
yeah,
passenger, they always recline that
yeah.
shit more farther.
I'm like
You know?
tripping. Yeah.
But it felt good. It takes some getting used to, but at least the seat's comfortable.
Yeah,
It doesn't let,
yeah.
those seats, like, they push you forward.
Yeah, I don't like these. Because the thing is, this is a passenger, and I don't know how the hell the seat it got that. Because the only thing that sits in there is either women or like
Drinks.
camera gear or drinks. So it's like
How the hell?
out of here. I don't know. It's I'm come back on Monday.
Yeah, we'll store.
Damn, that
Dude, it's
is
crazy
nuts.
because it just changed the whole thing.
Yeah, the whole thing is more. It's more subtle now.
Like it?
I love it actually. Damn. Yeah, that's great because like now you don't pay attention to like the
It's all.
inside now. It's more outside looky. Damn.
The tan seat stood out, huh?
They stood up way too much. It's like fuck that. They stood up way too much. Rear seat delete, harness bar,
I got you for sure. I would just find a spot like that.
more carbon on the inside,
To better get you set up. You know?
a forged carbon mirrors and hood.
Never go bad with part.
Yeah, you can. And maybe in either new wheels or I'm just go powder coat these. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. Damn. The things they feel so fucking good too.
I
Yeah.
treated it like it was my car. That's why I take a lot of time with it.
No, I was sure appreciate it. Damn.
'Cause on the bracket, like on this side, if you open it,
Yeah.
you can tell at the bottom
shit.
where they put the
Oh, the
present.
dumbass car. That's on for you.
All things stood up. There you go.
I definitely need a
There.
detail.
They made
This
the
is tight
bracket,
though. Yeah.
They made the bracket to go over where you needed to screw it.
Oh shit.
So I was like, fuck. And then the bracket wouldn't really line up a little bit, so I trimmed off a little bit
Yeah.
on where the screw goes, but it's all tight.
This. Oh, I got the pockets right here. Oh, okay, that's tight. That's okay. I'm excited now. That seat looks so good. Damn. This is crazy. The fact that a seat has pockets, because I forgot it had pockets in it. Damn. After driving in the car with them for about an hour or so, I'm not gonna lie, super comfortable. They're super soft. I just got my car washed and my inside cleaned. So when I go home, I'm finna take all this stuff and put it in the garage or somewhere in the house. But yeah, I'm about to do a backseat delete. I'm finna go take out my back seats. And then I need to find somewhere to make this carbon right here. So this carbon, this right here carbon. Obviously you see I have my carbon steering wheel and just have more carbon accents, man. All right, y'all, so it's been officially a whole day now with my seats. And I'm not gonna lie, the only thing I had to do was just adjust how close I'm sitting to the steering wheel. But other than that, my car is 80. My car is about 80% done, and I can say I love my car now because like I want an actual forged carbon hood and forged carbon mirror caps, new wheels, and yeah, I'll be completely done. But other than that, that's it, man.
If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Stuff tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Every song's free to wear. cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. Hold along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint though. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it poppin' like a pimple. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend no. Circle tighter than the lifestyle. Family question in my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights out. Ex text me how I sleep, said with the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my head and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback.